welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and yes people, we got another awesome freebie for you all to check out in the Gear Manager store. Now remember, I do not know how long this is going to be free, so download ASAP because free can become paid at any given time. Alright, with that being said, let's check out this awesome watch face. The name of it is called Galaxy Minimalist Watch Face. I love the design. I do like the look of this simple looking watch face, and in the AOD mode you're going to get the same exact look. Now looking at the watch face, I do like the background theme, and this is going to be an energy saving watch face as well. Now the watch face gives you exactly what you need out of any watch, right? And that's going to be the time and the date. Now even in this, you're going to be able to get your battery percentage as well. A nice looking floating second hand that if you look down at the bottom of the watch, it's going around nice and smooth. Now what I also like about the watch face, depending on what hour it is, that's the number that's going to show. So if it's 10, you'll see the number 10. If it's 6, you'll see 6 down at the bottom. And on top of it all, the watch face is interactive. So if I tap here, yes, I can go into my battery percentage. So I thought this was definitely worth the download, especially considering that it's free for the taking in the Gear Manager store, and you can dress up and or dress down with this watch face. All right, you all, that's going to be it. You know what I want you to do. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And also subscribe to the channel. And again, as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.